Hello guys, my name is Roberto Palma. I work for IBM Maximo support team, and today I'm gonna talk about how you make changes in some of the applications. You may do that by using either application designer or making changes on the application XML and importing them back. So I took as an example the company's application. As you can see, there are some fields on the screen, but uh, I would like to have a change in some of the labels on this application, or maybe we can move some fields to other locations. So how to do that? Uh, well, as I mentioned, you can go to the application designer and you have to search for your application name and change the canvas. So we are seeing the company's application, and let's suppose that I want to change the purchasing details label, or maybe any field. So when you go to the properties for each of those controls, you have a control ID, and then you have a label or some information that is related to that control. So pay attention to this, because I'm gonna take this as an example. Um, you can do the change here, or you can get it the control ID and make changes on your exported XML definition. For example, take this control ID, and then when you follow the procedure to export the application definition, as you know, it will send the XML on a pop-up. You have to save this, and when you save this page, you can edit on an XML editor, or just a regular text editor, and make sure that you search for the control ID that you're gonna change. So this is the one that I'm gonna use, and if you have a look at this screen, I'm seeing the code for that part of the application, because I looked for the control ID. So, but I just want to change the label. So I can make the change here, as you can see, about testing. And after that, what I'm gonna do is to save this text information on the application XML. And that's not enough. You have to go back to the application design and import your changes back to the application being edited by clicking on the import application definition and selecting your modified file. I'm gonna use my company application, and when you click on the OK button, it will load your changes into the application, which is being changed in application designer. And let's just double check here. Let's click on the company, and you are seeing my updated description. The application is automatically saved, and when you go back to the company's application, I expect to see my changes there. So let's select any record here, and there it is, my updated label. You can do that for fields, anything you want. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.